Hello everyone, and today I'm going to teach you how to make the Bee's Knees cocktail. It's a classic Prohibition era mixed drink, and it was invented by Frank Meyer, who was the lead bartender at the Ritz Hotel in Paris in 1921. All the materials that you will need a cocktail mixer, obviously a shot glass, a martini glass that I have in the freezer right now because I do like that chill to pour the drink into. Now in terms of ingredients, you will need the juice of an orange and a lemon, as well as London dry gin. And the unique thing about this drink is it does use honey syrup, which it's very easy to make. All that you do is take equal parts of water and honey, and you just heat it up on a stove. It just makes the honey a lot more liquid, so it's easy to mix into cold beverages. Because if you notice, you can pour straight honey into a hot beverage such as tea, and it will dissolve and mix in well with the tea. However, in a cold drink, you need it to be watered down a little bit so it mixes through correctly. And then other than that, that's all you need. So let's go ahead and get into how you make it. The first step I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and juice the orange and the lemon. You will need a total of 3/4 of an ounce of each juice. Before I go ahead and pour the juice in, I'm just going to fill this cocktail mixer up with ice. So again, go ahead and pour that 3/4 of an ounce into the mixer. I went ahead and used this juicer for the orange just because it works out pretty well. And again, 3/4 of an ounce of orange juice into the mixer. So you will need to have 2 teaspoons of honey syrup in the drink as well. So go ahead and put that right in the mixer. And then go ahead and add 1 1/4 ounce of London dry gin into the mixer. And then just go ahead and secure up the shaker. And I always like to get a towel because these get really cold. And shake for about 20 seconds. And then strain into the chilled martini glass. And then here is that chilled martini glass. And just go ahead and pop this off and strain into here. And there you go, there's your finished Bee's Knees Prohibition era cocktail. This drink is really light, refreshing, and pretty sweet as well. But that honey syrup really does add a really nice touch to the drink, just so it's not all citrus. And another thing to note that I really like is when you shake it up, a lot of the ice will break up and you get these little tiny ice chunks throughout the drink. It just keeps it cold and kind of provides a really nice texture to the drink. So yeah, I recommend it. Very easy to make. And yeah, so